Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term GTG. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, GTG is an acronym for Got to Go. People use it when they need to leave a conversation or end a chat quickly. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. GTG first showed up in the 1990s in internet chat rooms. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among online chatters and texters. Now let's check out how to use GTG in a sentence. Correct example 1. I have a meeting soon, so GTG now. See you later. Correct example 2. Hey, sorry, I got a GTG before the movie starts. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said GTG at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using GTG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. GTG means an acronym for Got to Go. It started in internet chat rooms in the 1990s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with GTG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.